Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
ये दंड कारण है। रामचंद्र का युद्ध यदि जीता गया तो ये दंड कारण के वनवासियों की ताकत थी कि रावण का वध हुआ था। और आज फिर इस असुरी ताकत से लड़ाई के लिए किसी ने तीर कमान और धनुष बाण उठाया है, तो सलवा जुड़म के हमारे वनवासियों ने उठाया है। अब रावण का अंत होने वाला है।
ये भारत का वो प्रांत है जो कभी किसी का गुलाम नहीं बना। ये वो मिट्टी है जिसने विदेशी आक्रांताओं के दांत खट्टे कर दिए। आज सलवा जुडूम अपने देश, अपने स्वाभिमान, अपने धर्म, अपने समाज, अपनी संस्कृति और अपनी मर्यादाओं की रक्षा के लिए नक्सलियों की कमर तोड़ रहा है।
Now recently the Supreme Court had criticized the concept of arming citizens to fight militant groups like the Salwa Judum in Chhattisgarh.
Ever since the controversial Adivasi armed group Salwa Judum was set up, Maoist violence escalated sharply, villages were split wide open and families were driven to camps run by the group. The most stark symbol of the Judum's failure is the Jagargunda camp, where Adivasis live like caged cattle.
This camp is run by Salwa Judum and is one of the worst affected camps in South Chhattisgarh. Around 4,500 people live here and there is widespread malnutrition. Children and the aged are the worst affected.
Families with starving, ill members want to return home, but the fear of the Judum's retribution is intense. The architect of the movement admits it has spiraled out of control.
बहुत अगर मतलब वायलेंट हो जाए वो मेरे भी बस की बात नहीं। यस, मैं भी कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाऊंगा, फिर वो हमें ही सबसे पहले कुछ लेगा। वायलेंट मास का अपना कहीं कोई आइडियोलॉजी और विजन नहीं होता। विवेक वो विवेकहीन हो जाता है।
Salwa Judum began as a mission to wipe out Naxalism in Chhattisgarh. Instead, it terrorized the same Adivasis they promised to protect, a strategy that is now unraveling rapidly.
Now, to come to Salwa Judum, the government has, Chhattisgarh government has officially claimed that it is a spontaneous people's movement. This is what they continue to claim despite increasing evidence. And that it was Maoist retaliation against those who had joined the Salwa Judum which forced them to leave and come to camps. So they say that there is no state sponsorship. These photos were taken by a local journalist in Konta in February 2006, the first rally in this area. And you see the on the left, the collector and the leader of the opposition, Mahendra Karma, flagging off the rally. And we know from a lot of evidence, I filed a case in the Supreme Court on Salwa Judum, and we have a lot of official evidence now that it was completely sponsored by the government. Again, the government of Chhattisgarh said that the police role was confined to providing security for the rallies, but it's quite clear that it was more than just providing security, it was actually organizing the rallies. These are special police officers and others setting off to persuade villagers to join Salwa Judum. And this is what the government of Chhattisgarh has called on different occasions an unarmed peaceful movement, the fragrance of the forest, a Gandhian movement. What these Salwa Judum rallies did, the sarpanches of the villages were told that if they did not get their villages to come and participate in these rallies, they would be fined, people would be beaten. So villagers would come to these rallies. You have these young men who were armed by the administration, running amok, burning villages, killing people, raping women. In most cases, people were not even described as killed in encounters. Their bodies were just left to rot. And these are people who are not Naxalites. These are not armed village people. These are just ordinary villagers working in their fields, cutting firewood, being caught by the Salwa Judum when unable to run away, being sick at home and therefore unable to run, and being caught and killed.
Oh, papite hi sutega. Godelti tu. Agar yaw kina lagay to tagay mat per ka tapay, orat tapay. Mum paras mo tat tumlo. Oh, tumi madina. Adina wan poitte didina avi kumari ki wan tattur gale ad kumari hondu nal peddirwa avutana mangli tattur gale tan ile talari tur gale lopa balatkar ki tur gale
एकदम मतलब तो पई नहीं देखता मुना लो टाई पद बने अकेंस तम गदा नरक पे दूसरा दिन है बेच बढ़ दे गत्ते पड़ते के मत्ता इन मिड घंटा का सो मत्ता मारो मत्ता मंजू तम देगे ये वानी समाज मेरा गत्तिर को नीकिना का बात उन्नत बाले ते मतलब नी फिलती ना उक्तोर या पर उक्तोर कौन मीर तेन में देन बात कित्तीर या बार बाले ते आल फिर या बेनों बार के लिए
छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य के दंतेवाड़ा जिला कोंटा ब्लॉक में 3 गांवों को पुलिस द्वारा जलाया गया है। ताड़मेटला में 207 घर, मोरपल्ली में 37 घर और तिम्मापुरम में 56, पूरे मिलाकर 300 घर हैं। यहाँ सारे गांव माओवादियों से प्रभावित हैं। घरों के जलने के बाद लोगों के पास परेशानियां बढ़ गई हैं। लोग भूख से लड़ रहे हैं। लोगों का कहना है कि तीनों गांवों से 5 महिलाओं का बलात्कार हुआ है। ग्रामीण अपने घरों को रोज देखते रहते हैं और अपने बेबसी और बदहाली पर आंसू बहाते हैं।
मेरे घर में मेरे पूर्वजों की संपत्ति थी। ये देखो, अब ये पूरी तरह से जलकर राख हो चुकी है।
तीनों गांवों के ग्रामीणों का कहना है कि सरकार द्वारा पूरी जांच की। उन्हें इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कोया कमांडो, सीआरपी, कोबरा फोर्स, एसपीओ की कोई भी बुद्धिजीवी और सरकार जांच कर केस बनाए और सजा दे।
नागपुर बिसुंदो अबुआ के ताना, गुरु टोंडा ओते आसा अबुआ के ताना। ले मेरी साहो आमदिले दारादाना इंडोनेशिया जन्म ले मेरी साहो आमदिले दारादाना चाल कांद हतुरे जन्म ले नंबिरी सा तुम्बारी गुरु रे लड़ाई के नंबिरी सा लड़ाई के नाम बुआ जिसुमना बिनते गोए जन्म जेल रे हो
इसको मारने के लिए आपको नौकरी मिली है संविधान की तरफ से। भारत के संविधान ने आपको इसलिए नौकरी दी है कि आप अपने देशवासियों के बच्चों के हाथ काटे, लेकिन पैसा खा करके ये नेता आपसे ये काम करवाते हैं, आपसे गरीबों के घर जलवाते हैं और फिर जब लोग नागरिक विरोध करते हैं तो ये नेता आपको आगे कर देते हैं कि जाओ जाकर जनता को मारो।
Violence has increased. The Naxals have not been weakened in any way. Instead, the poor villagers are being caught in the middle. They have run away. Their houses have been taken from them. This destruction is happening in the name of Salva Judum.
The Maoists retaliated. Ever since Salva Judum began, the Maoist violence has gone up exponentially. So between 1968 and 98, there were 70 killings in that 30-year span by the Maoists. Since Salva Judum began, it's risen. The government provides figures of people killed by the Maoists. They do not provide figures of people killed by the security forces in Salva Judum. So all the media reporting has been one-sided, but the fact is that people are being killed by both sides and there has been a huge loss of life. Now, if you look at who these special police officers are, many of them were former Maoists who were arrested and then forced to work as SPOs. Many were minors who thought they would get a government job, police job. Forms were coming to their village, so they thought, okay, let's sign up. Some are criminal elements, thekedars and others who saw an opportunity to make money. And one of the biggest tragedies is that a government which has a million-strong army should use children to fight this war on the front lines. The government of Chhattisgarh has maintained that it has not recruited any minors, but you can see from these photos that these are children. We're sending off our children to fight against insurgents from their own. I mean, this makes no sense to me, and I think you will appreciate that the kind of cover-up that we've had on this situation is sort of beyond the bounds of any lawlessness.